We start with the 1080 Ti's, the high-end NVIDIA GPUs at the moment in the market. And at Computex 2017 we are showing 3 products which we haven't shown before. To start with, our high-end product, the Kingpin edition, which probably most of you know. One of the main features we deliver here is, and that's probably what you're most excited about, is we are guaranteeing a clock speed of 2025 megahertz, which you can reach by overclocking. So how we do that? We are kind of pre-selecting the GPUs, so you can be sure that this GPU is a special one, and you are not, when you have buying a normal GPU, we always have the GPU lottery, right? So here we are pre-testing it, and you're sure you can get a good GPU on that one. Of course, with that, we have a total customized PCB. It comes with 10 power phases plus 3 phases on the memory. And it also has, because we are also known for extreme overclocking, as you know, Kingpin. We have a lot of features for extreme overclocking here as well. For example, here you will be able to read out all the voltages. So you could read out your GPU voltage, the memory voltage, with your multimeter. Then go further. The first thing you probably spot will be that we have moved the 2 8-pin also to the side of the card. We were able to do that because we changed the whole power design of that card really to be able to reach the maximum clock speed of Pascal, and that's why we were also able to just move them at the side of the card so that you could have also an easier cable management for this one. Also to mention, we have a connector for the EVGA as well. On the very left side you can see an USB header. This USB header can be connected to our motherboards to overclock it through software. And then we also have some indicators, LED for your voltages. So when you're doing extreme overclocking, it's also important that you know that all the voltages are there. What I forgot to mention is there's 3 BIOSes on that card. So you could switch between a normal BIOS, an OC BIOS and an LN2 BIOS. The LN2 BIOS obviously gives you everything you need. There is not really any limitations anymore because you want to overclock it to the maximum, right? And that is what the Kingpin card is famous for. Of course, the card is RGB lighting, similar as the FTW3 as well. And it comes with all the ICX features, of course, also. So you have 9 additional thermal sensors on the card also. And you have the backplate also with thermal pads, so they could give you better cooling ability. You can see the color is different, so this is copper plated, which gives you a little bit of better cooling performance as well. When you take a look at the front side, you can see that we also changed all the connectors for the monitor. We actually moved the DVI down so that you are able to have a single slot card as well. So we will have a water block for this card also. And then you are able to have a water block single slot card, which is very unique and also very beautiful as well. Moving forward, we have our 1080 Ti FTW3 hybrid version. The 1080 Ti FTW3 is already known and selling right now with our ICX air cooler. But the hybrid cooler we haven't showed yet for the FTW3, so we are also having this here at Computex. And as the hybrid cooler was also before, the GPU will be cooled with water, of course, and around the GPU block are the memory ICs, and these will be cooled with water as well. And it's called hybrid because there's an air cooler also. Actually, this fan over here is controlled by the thermals of the backside of the VRM, so not by the GPU, because we have ICX and we have 3 thermal sensors for the VRM. This fan spins after those thermals for the VRM, because the only job for this fan is to cool the VRM part. Going a little bit forward, we have also, again, 1080 Ti FTW3, this time with the water block. And yeah, for those who have already a custom water cooling, they could buy our hydro copper card and install it in their water cooling system. Yeah, and then we have our little beauty, the 1030. Yeah, the 1030 is shipping also right now. We have 3 different versions of it. That's basically everything about our graphics cards here at Computex 2017. I hope you're looking forward to our new cards.